Today we are going to talk about 15 assets that are better than cash always. What if I told you that keeping all your money in cash is actually making you poor every single day? While you are thinking about saving account is keeping your money safe, inflation is quietly eating away at your purchasing power. I think I've mentioned this before that we are going to learn about inflation today. So, uh, the wealthy understand something that most people don't. They never keep large amount of cash sitting around. Instead, they put their money into the asset that grow over time and protect against inflation. So today, I'm going to share 15 assets that are better than cash for building long-term wealth. These aren't just get rich quicker scheme or risk investment. These are proven wealth building tools that have helped millions of people secure their financial future. Let's dive in right now. First step is real estate. I'm pretty sure property has been building wealth for centuries because it provides both rental income and appreciation. When you buy a rental property, your tenants pay down your mortgage while you benefit from rising property values. Even if your property values stay flat, you are still earning monthly cash flow. Very good. So the next number 2 asset is stocks. When you buy shares in the company, you own a piece of that business. As the company grows and it becomes more profitable, your shares becomes more variable. The stock market has averaged about 10% annual returns over the past centuries. That means your money doubles approximately every 7 years. You get that right. Number 3, we have gold. So gold has been stored for value for thousands of years. When currency fell or inflation rises, gold typically maintains its purchasing power. Central banks around the world hold gold reserves because they understand its stability. That's why all the banks have gold. Number 4 is silver. Offers similar benefits to gold, but it's more affordable for small investors. It's also used in industrial applications, which creates additional demand beyond just investment purposes. Number 5, we have Bitcoin, represent a new form of digital money that operates independently of any governments. So while it's most volatile than traditional asset, it has delivered incredible returns over the past decades. Many investors now view it as a digital gold. That's what they say. Number 6, rental properties deserves their own mention separate from general real estate. Multiple family homes, apartment buildings, and commercial properties can generate steady monthly income. The key is buying properties where the rental income exceeds your expenses. Number 7, farmland. Farmland, very important if you can afford it. Farmland is one of the most stable investment you can make. People will always need food. And productivity agriculture land becomes more variable as the global population is growing. So the population of every single country in the world is growing. So if you can invest your money into farmland, even to start farming in the future, even if you can't do it now, that's okay. You can do it in 10 years to come, that's fine. But if you can buy land for farming, it's more profitable. Many farmland investments also provide annual income through crop sales or lease payments, because you can lease your farmland. It doesn't matter which country you buy it from, and you still make monthly payment. Number 8, it's commodities like oil, natural gas, and agriculture products protects against inflation. When the prices rises across the economy, commodity prices typically rise too.